Swim Boy. Today we're going to be playing L2 with this thing over here. So it's actually fake. So let's go see who will fall for it. But how many people waiting for each turn? Even though I can't. Nope, we're doing this one. Training the goose. Running the sky. Hold me. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Bro, I literally saw you. How come you didn't shoot me, bro? Wait, where's he? Wait, I think I should leave and put him back. Okay, let's go on phones to pretend like let's go on phones. So if people are bad at phones, even though I'm on iPad, Nigga man, Mega Gia. Oh shit.
Attention. Advance fire alarm. Conduct fire alarm test. Please disregard all the alarms. In the real emergency, you will be notified.
Bro, what was that? Guys, what was that? Oh shit.
Attention. Resident, this is Atlas fire
What
alarm.
is this? Fire
We are
alarm?
conducting
What?
annual fire alarm test. Please disregard all the alarms. In the real emergency, you will be notified. Thank you.
The hell? Guys, I think I'm going to end the video, so bye.